Now I will finish the example for 2-point perspective. You can see that I've already got my L shape there. I have to go ahead and get my groove built in there. So all I'm going to do is this line here I already have. We can only drop lines on a line we have. So that's that line right there. I'm going to go ahead and drop it down from this point to my station point once again. Back up to this point so I can get those two lines. I'm going to drop that straight down in here. And same with this one. And then I can get rid of these two to save some mess. Trim up the lines that I just dropped in. Now to get that groove, I could go ahead and trim this while I'm in the trim command. To get that groove, I'm going to take both of these top corners back to my vanishing point left. Now, this line right here would be the same as this line right here, so since I have it in my drawing, I can now drop this down to my station point. Where it crosses the picture plane line, I drop down to the line that represents it in our 2-point perspective. And from there, I should be able to take the back of that groove off to vanishing point right. I'm going to get rid of both of these lines. You can see that groove starting to form. I'm going to trim. And we would still have a vertical line in this back corner. And this one would go off to vanishing point left. Right there is our object. We can see that if we look at the other objects, this is just a box. That should be pretty simple. 2.3 is the same object as 2.2 except for with a hole in the middle of it. Very simply on this one, I'm going to demonstrate very quickly. We can just go ahead and take that height over, vanishing point right, down to our bottom of our object. Do not forget the bottom of the object. Once again, we're starting out with the box, which would be the same thing as we would do in number 2. Right here is the outside edge, where it crosses picture plane line. Do a bunch of trimming here. And I'm going to stop the video there and I'll demonstrate the hole in the middle in the next video clip.